In this video, I will test softwares that didn't work on M1 chip before. Parallels, Homebrew, Docker, and Android Emulator. Homebrew is now supported running under Rosetta 2, and others got tech review version released. Let's see how they works. Before I start, most of my viewers are not actually subscribed. If you like the video, subscribe my channel, it's free, you can change your mind later. First, Parallels. So Parallels released tech review version a few weeks ago. I actually tried on the date it was released. It worked perfectly fine at the first running. At the second running though, I found a critical glitch that doesn't let me use it at all. So this time I will reinstall Parallels and Windows, and let's see what happens this time. Right, it's on. What should I test this time? There's one thing is really good at testing, a game. I'm gonna try installing a Steam. Okay, I'm gonna try Among Us. It's one of my favorite games. Okay, let me try play some game. Checking the keyboard, it's working fine. This works great. How about other games like maybe good old Phasmophobia? Oh, it's not compatible? And some of the games are not supported. As you can see, even if I'm running this on Windows, it says available for Windows. I guess that means it's not supported for Windows ARM version. And the Counter-Strike, it might be working, but I'm not too sure. For more gaming on Parallels Windows, I'll make another video later. Okay, now let's try random YouTube. I'm gonna try. There's no 4K video. Okay. So seems like YouTube's working fine. And now I'm kinda worried if it's not gonna work again if I reboot the Windows. And I hope it works so I can do more tests, because I don't want to install Windows every time I run it. Okay, it is on again. Let's try. Oh, it's working. I don't know why, but I'm trying to install Visual Studio Code and it doesn't let me get into their website. If I go to YouTube, I can actually go to YouTube and watch a video. I don't know what's going on.
Hello everyone, this is your
I tried to download some softwares like VS Code and any other programs I use, and for some reason, it doesn't let me to do so. It is a tech review version and it needs to be improved. I hope they release an official version soon. Second, Homebrew. As you may know, Homebrew now works on M1 chip on the Rosetta 2. I didn't need to do any extra setup. However, some softwares downloaded by Homebrew might not be supported yet, like GCC or something related to OpenGL, etc. To install Homebrew, you can simply go visit their website. They have an instruction for M1 chip. Third, Docker. Docker is the one that made many developers hesitate to buy M1 Mac product. It might have a limited function and also have some issue. I've never used it before, to be honest. I guess I'll try it out today. This tutorial shows how Docker works for a beginner, just like me. Alright, so what do I need to do? Do I have to type it in or just click it? Oh, I can just click it. Okay, so next step. Docker is private file system, feel free container, okay. So I just press this again, I guess. Okay, run your first container. Okay, yes please. And now save and share your image, okay. I guess it's done. So, how do I do this? Do I go to CLI? Oh, now I get it. So this website right here is running on Docker right now. That's interesting. So it seems like it's working fine, this sample project. Maybe it's not a fully functional for professionals. So if you want me to test out some Docker repo, please leave your comments down below. I'm gonna test it out and make a video for you. Fourth, Android emulator. Google released Android emulator M1 preview 3 weeks ago. It has some issue apparently. Well, let's find out. Here's the Flutter project, COVID-19 tracker. And now I'm running Android emulator for M1. It looks like it's working. Can I go to settings? Yes, I can. But the question is, if this project, Flutter project, is going to run on this Android emulator, I'll give it a shot. Hopefully, it works on Android emulator M1 preview version. So Flutter run. Wait a minute. Is it actually working? So I can debug a Flutter project on this preview version of Android emulator right now? It's actually working. Well, like the graphs and everything, it's working fine. It's unfortunate that the live map is not working. I don't think it's supported yet. But overall, the whole app is working. Can I go to the home screen and go back there again? Yep, I can do that too. Can I play some YouTube video or something like that? No, I guess not. Can I actually open the web browser? Can I go to YouTube? I don't think so. Anyways, wow, this is really impressive. If you watched my other video, try to run other ARM version of Android emulator, it didn't even boot up. And one of them actually booted up after like 20 minutes and I couldn't even do anything. Like I couldn't even open an app or go to settings or do anything on it. And this one, I mean, function is limited, but still, at least I can try to run the project on it. Yeah, so it runs the project perfectly smooth and it's just a preview version. Wow. But let's not get excited too much yet. This preview version has these known issues. Web view doesn't work, no sound, no device skins, etc. Still, I'm really excited for official release. Overall, it was quite impressive. These softwares that wasn't supported at all work fine on M1 chip now. Well, even though they're not fully functional and it might take a few more weeks, months for official release, these developers have been doing a great job. I'm planning to make more videos for these softwares I tested today. So if you want me to test anything on them, maybe Docker repos or some softwares on Parallels, leave your comments down below. I'm gonna note that and I'm gonna test it out on my future video. I'll see you guys in my next video in 2021. Happy New Year!